Are you a sensitive person or an overthinker or even a sensible person who feels others' pain very easily? The airplane crash which happened recently in India, I felt so much of pain. It was feeling as though everything was happening in front of my eyes. I was feeling helpless. I could see the stories of every family. I was feeling that I've lost my loved ones. They all belong to me. It was not the case. Yes, it was a bad incident. Shouldn't have happened. But that's it. It happened. Many lives were lost. It was not necessary for me to go through the pain for so many days. If similar incident, if at all it had happened years back when there was no internet, social media platforms, I think this would have been a news on television or newspaper, and for few days the information would come and it would go. Nobody would feel so much of pain other than the loved ones. But now that is not the case. Whatever bad is happening anywhere in the world, we go through the pain as if it is happening right in front of us or it is happening with us. That is how it is happening now. Shouldn't happen. Not necessary. It is not at all necessary that we have to go through every pain, which is not ours actually. But because of the social media, this is happening. You see a news, search for a news or information on Google, the social media platforms start recommending similar things. You see a video of airplane crash, you get so many stories about everybody in the plane, their life stories. We have to go through so much, not necessary. How much to take? So it is very important we take the charge of a cell phone when we scroll. What is recommended, we should never see. What we want to watch, that is to be watched. It is not what the social media platforms want to watch us. No recommendations should control us. It should be our individual decision to watch what we want to watch. So I think it is important for us to control ourselves from seeing all the feeds in our cell phone. It becomes important. We try to decide what is important for us. Whether this much of information, these many stories are required for us, that we should decide. I hope we will start using our cell phones mindfully. If you relate with this, please give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.